Is that also karma then? Would you accumulate karma because of that? Is there agency in that when you think of yourself as an instrument of action? I mean, think of yourself as an instrument of Brahma, let's say. Like, even if you think Brahma is using me to do this, right? This is happening through me. Is there agency in that as well?
Absolutely. Absolutely, yes. Absolutely. It's a shift in attitude. Previously, I did not know anything. And I took myself to be this great guy. And now I'm beginning to recognize that, yeah, I'm blessed to do whatever I'm doing. And so things are happening through me. I feel very blessed. But that attitude also, kartrutvam is there.
Exactly.
He's making me do. So I'm doing. I'm doing attitude is still there. I'm just attributing it to somebody else, some other force out there, right? I'm attributing. Therefore, Kartrutva Buddhi is there. When will that, why do I say that? Well, if everything is Brahma, there can be no doer, there can be no karma, there can be no karanam, nothing. Only then you can say there is no Kartrutva Buddhi. Otherwise, we will say it's a dilution of agency, sublimation of agency. That ahankara is not there so much. It is there, but it's not acting up at all. There's no chance it can act up. Correct? So, sublimated ahankara. That's what it is. Yeah.
Good to know that. Yes. I guess you're misled generally, right? That if you think that you're doing it, I mean, God is acting through you, then it's like you think it's a way to offer your action up to God.
Correct. So it's a karma yoga buddhi. It's a karma yoga buddhi. Correct. So that's important. That attitude is important. Only then I can see the vision. It's a preparation to jnana yoga. So karma yoga buddhi. So Krishna will tell Arjuna, nimitta matram bhava. He's going to say later. Nimitta matram bhava. Hey, don't think you are fighting this war. When did you take on this whole thing as yourself? And you are put in a situation where you are supposed to do this. Nimitta matram bhava. He's going to say that.
Thank you.
Anything else? Go ahead and unmute yourself.
As far as having any separate class, I'm not for it.
This shloka, I'm getting a little confused here. Karma, kartrutva, and aham, all those things. I mean, I'm not following it, or I do not know what is happening. What is your answer?
Yeah. So this kartrutvam is a very important concept here, right? Doership, agency, free will, all that is, we use various words for that. And in this series of shlokas, right, a wise person is described. Wise person is described. And so wise person means what? The person who knows everything is Brahma is a wise person. Okay. Sarvam khalvidam Brahma. That is a wise person. Or person who knows Satyam Mithya. One who knows everything is Mithya. And Satyam is Brahma, and that Brahma is not some Brahma that is out there, that floating around Brahma, not that floating around Brahma. It includes me also. That Brahma is me. That's critical. Otherwise, this Brahma is meaningless because it becomes some Brahma, right? And some Brahma is there, so what? Everything is Brahma, so what? Everything is atoms, suppose somebody says. The whole world is nothing but a bunch of atoms. Okay, let it be. How does it matter to me? How does it matter to me if everything is atoms? It makes nothing to me. It means nothing. So this Brahma is out there. No, it's not out there. It's all Brahma, all right, but you are also Brahma. That Brahma I am. And that Nirgunam Brahma, that Purnam Brahma I am. That vision is being unfolded by Krishna. And so here, this kartrutvam is a very important thing. In this action, the doership is such a thing because all purushartha depends on doership, correct? Artha, kama, Dharma. I want artha, I want kama, I want dharma, I want moksha. Correct? So I want. So that agent is very much there. The ahankara is very much there. And it is this ahankara that says, that makes conclusions about the self. Correct? So I'm vulnerable. I'm a victim of this. I'm a victim of that. And so I need to be protected. I need a lot of protection. This is the idea that the guy has. And therefore I'm a mortal also on top of all of this. And I can't do anything about mortality. So I just live my life to the best of my ability and then hope things work out properly, right? This is the idea of this human being, average human being. And so here that kartrutvam is highlighted. That karma, that action in particular. Instead of saying Jagat Brahma, the world is nothing but Brahma. Here he is saying that karma, the action is also Brahma. Action is Brahma. And so he's trying to slowly bring in that idea of kartrutva. That is the purpose of this whole thing. And so all the instruments, this language, the language that is used is funny, right? So implements of action and the object of action, the doer of the action, the purpose of the action, all this, and the place where the action is done. The language is very different. That's why I think you feel a little, so far you felt okay, now it looks a little different. And so when we say everything is Brahma, you have to include everything. Everything includes action also. Action is a big part of it. Because karma and karma phalam, our whole life revolves around karma and karma phalam. Correct? Karma, karma phalam. I want something now or I want something later. So this is how the mindset is. And so Krishna wants to sensitize us to the fact. He brings karma into the picture and reveals to us that karma, all aspects of karma are also Brahma. Which is true because Sarvam Kalvidam Brahma, when Satyam and Mithya is understood, then karma is also Mithya, should be understandable. Correct? Action is Mithya. Actor is Mithya. All things are used in the ritual is also Mithya. Everything must be clear also, correct? So the language is different, but the concept is the same.
Is he trying to say it's like Aham Brahmasmi here?
Yeah, so he is implied. It is implied. It is implied. It is implied. It is implied. Aham Brahmasmi, but everything, what about everything else? Well, everything else also is Brahma. Everything else is Brahma. I am also Brahma. Correct. So it is implied because in fact it is stated also, right? Brahmana. That Brahmana. What is the word Brahmana in that shloka? Brahmana. So Brahmarpanam. The ladle is Brahma. Correct. Brahma Havihi. What is being offered with the ladle is also Brahma. Correct. The ghee I offer is also Brahma. Then Brahmana is one word. Brahmana. So the one by whom everything is done, this entire ritual is done. That is the meaning of the word Brahmana. So that doer is also Brahma. That is the meaning. The doer is also Brahma. So Aham Brahmasmi comes in that word Brahmana. Correct? Brahmana.
Yes.
It is one part of that entire shloka. Everything else is what? Everything else is Sarvam Brahma. Idam Sarvam Brahma. Everything else is Brahma and I am also Brahma. Correct.
So here when he meant a wise person, he is talking only Jnana Yogi, not the Karma Yogi.
Yeah, correct. Karma Yogi is not a wise person. That we must remember very well. So Karma Yogi has the attitude. Everything we said, we have that attitude. Okay. And it's attitude is not the same as knowledge. Okay. Attitude means I am going to lead my life with that vision in the background. I am looking at the Jagat as a manifestation of Ishvara. Everything is Ishvara. So when I do the rituals with that attitude, then the rituals will be meaningful, because now I begin to see everything as Ishvara, and I have the prasada buddhi and Ishvararpana buddhi. Okay, that buddhi is there. So prasada buddhi and Ishvararpana buddhi are needed for me, the karma yogi. But a jnana yogi does not need prasada buddhi. Why? One who has the knowledge does not need the buddhi. Why? Need that vision. Why? Because the person already knows. Already knows it. There is no need for a special way of looking at something. So karma yogi, when we generally say, it is not. It is a means towards jnana yoga. It is not separate from jnana yoga. It's not independent of jnana yoga. Bhakti yoga, karma yoga, all these things, we will say it's a means towards jnana yoga.
Dhanyavada, Guruji.
Any other questions?